In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart list in Go high level. If you're looking to streamline your contact management process and enhance your marketing strategies, creating smart lists is an invaluable skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently filter and organize your contacts with ease. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Type Go high level into the search bar. Once you see the results, go ahead and select the official website at www.gohighlevel.com. Now, log into your account using your credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you select the one you intend to work with. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here, look for the Contacts tab, usually located in the main menu on the left side. Click on it, and then select the Contacts/Smart Lists option from the drop-down menu. This is your starting point for accessing and managing your contact lists. Once you've arrived at the Contacts page, you'll notice a button labeled More Filters. Click on this button to open the filter panel. This panel allows you to customize and refine the list you're about to create. You'll see a drop-down menu on the right side. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a variety of filter options. You can filter your contacts by tags, locations, custom fields, and more, depending on your specific needs. Select one or more of these filters and input the necessary details to specify what you're looking for. After choosing each filter, it's important to click Apply. Doing this will ensure that the filters are active and your contact list reflects these criteria. If your list requires multiple criteria, you can add more conditions by selecting the AND option. This is a great feature for combining filters, allowing for more nuanced and precise lists. Now that you've set your desired filters, it's time to save your work. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and look for the Save as Smart List button. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter a name for your new smart list. Make sure to provide a descriptive name that clearly indicates the contents or purpose of the list, as this will help you easily identify it later on. Once you're satisfied with the name, confirm your choice to save the list. And there you have it. Your smart list is now created and ready for use. You can access it anytime from the Contacts Smart Lists section. This powerful tool will help you manage your contacts more effectively, making it easier to target and engage with specific groups. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.